Hey guys, it's Zung and we're heading into a long weekend, so I thought I'd set you up with some goodies from Trader Joe's. I found something really interesting. This is the Tealicious Cheddar rubbed with Trader Joe's ginger turmeric herbal tea. Now this could go really well or it could go really bad. So let's give it a try. I don't taste the turmeric too much, so I guess that's a good thing, but it has really floral notes. Did it say there's ginger in here? So I definitely taste the ginger, not too much of the turmeric. I would say this is a pretty good buy. I got another cheese there. This is halloumi cheese, and it's a grilling cheese. If you're familiar with Pinella, it kind of gets stretchy. It doesn't disintegrate, it doesn't melt like cheddar cheese. It just becomes, you know, like a hot grilled cheese. This one was $5.99, and just check out my second channel to see how I use it. So I've bought this before. I did it on my last haul, and it's so delicious that I had to buy more. I was pretty blown away actually. Super balanced, super creamy, delicious. This was $3.99. Patio potato chips. My sister texted me to tell me she's so excited that it's back. And to be honest, Trader Joe's chips has always been kind of a hit or miss for me. I didn't like the everything bagel seasoning. I didn't like the dark russet. I'm pretty sure I didn't like their pickle one either. Oh, what this is, a mixed bag of sea salt and vinegar, delicious dill, home-style ketchup, smoke and sweet barbecue flavored potato chips. So it's like everything in one. So it's not all the flavors mixed up in one. There's like, they mixed it up. It's a mixed bag. Dill. That's actually good. Okay. Ketchup or barbecue. I guess it's both together, but I also taste dill in it. Sea salt and vinegar. I think this is the first bag of chips that I actually like from Trader Joe's. This bag was $2.29. Another new item that I found, I don't know if this is new or old or they just brought back, but it's sweet and spicy pineapple barbecue sauce. Let's also give it a try. I just have the kids' leftover lunch here, chicken nuggets that we air fried. So I'm gonna pour a little bit out. I'm hoping that this is not too sweet because I actually don't like super sweet barbecue sauce, but let's see. So when you first taste it, you do taste the sweetness of the pineapple, but then it was unexpectedly spicy. Sweet and spicy, duh. I didn't see that part. I can see myself using this in like a pulled pork sandwich or even like pulled chicken, or ribs would be really good with this. This bottle was $2.99 and I think I would definitely get this again. Now this is a return item that I am super excited about. It's the tomato ketchup with black summer truffle. You get a waft of that truffle smell right off the bat after opening it. This is gonna be a good one. I've been waiting all year for this. This was also $2.99. This right here actually really surprised me. It's a strawberry cider. It is alcoholic, it's a hard cider. There's 12 berries per bottle. It's kind of cute. But what really surprised me that it was only $1.50 per bottle. Ooh, delicious. Hey, it was made in San Jose, California. Cheers. Another new item I found was this dark chocolate watermelon sticks. It looked interesting. I tried their watermelon jerky before. I didn't like it. So hopefully this is better. Just like a log. Yeah, I don't like this either. It's not the chewy watermelon jerky. I don't know why I thought it would be like that, but basically it's like a watermelon jelly, which already just doesn't sound that good to me. You know those like liqueur cherries, chocolate bonbons? I don't like those. I never like those. But that's what it reminds me of. If you like them, then go for it. If you don't, stay away from this item. This was $2.99. Okay, so A fun item that I got, and I always love getting candles from Trader Joe's. They last a really long time. They're soy-based, so they're a little cleaner. This one smells like Anthropology for like a fraction of the price. Yeah, it's gotta be from Anthropology, like the same maker of that, because they also have like a mango coconut tangerine one that smells exactly like this. $3.99 for this, and you can't beat that. It smells like summer. All right. I have another bag. So this one I was really excited to see again, and I'm not sure if they just brought it back or I just haven't noticed it was there, but I'm pretty sure I haven't seen it in a while. This is my favorite salad from Trader Joe's. It's the yellow curry chopped salad. It has naan chips, cashews, raisin, and this creamy yellow curry ginger lime vinaigrette that's just, it's tangy, it's creamy, it's delicious. This one is such a lifesaver on those days where I just need something really quick to eat for lunch, and yeah, I love it. This salad was $3.99. It's cherry season, so I had to get a box of cherries. This is Rainier cherries. It's the yellow kind, the yellowish pink kind. They also had sweet red cherries there too, but I tend to like these more. This was kind of like a splurge. Let's see if it's sweet. You never really know. This is really sweet. It was $6.49. This is probably one of the more expensive items that I bought, but it's seasonal and I can only get this for a very short period each year, so I would say it's worth it. It's sweet corn, burrata, and basil ravioli. We love raviolis here. The kids probably won't like it, but it's got this cool yellow stripe going through for like a nice design. I tend to like all of their raviolis, to be honest with you, so I have high hopes on this one. I would just serve it with a quick cream sauce or even just a marinara sauce, and that would be a good side dish for dinner. This was $3.69, pretty good. So this new item got me really excited for summer too because I love corn, and this is a corn chowder. It has potatoes, onions, celery, carrots, and bacon pieces. I love their soups. Their soups are like the hidden gems. The clam chowder is also really good. My favorite's the tomato feta, so I think this will be really good too. I'm not gonna heat it up, but if you guys again want to see me eating it, maybe I'll film like a what I eat in a week again and show you guys how it comes out, or just check out my vlog channel because I always cook up random things there and I tell you guys how it goes. It's called Wild Honeysuckle, so check that out. Oh, I just got organic grapes. A lot of you guys have asked me on DM what I thought of the ube mochi pancake waffle mix, and to be honest with you, I haven't tried it. I missed the boat last year because they sold out so fast, but it's back, so let's make some waffles. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. I'm glad I read the direction because I would have poured the mix in first. You can start to see it giving off that purple color from ube. The batter seems kind of thin. Maybe I added too much water, but. Ooh, wow. It's got this nice, beautiful brown crust to it. It's gonna be hot. All right. I love waffles when they're still hot and crispy like this, so we're just gonna dig right in. All I taste is steam. Okay. So I'm not sure where the mochi comes in because it's not super chewy. It's made with sweet rice flour instead of wheat flour. But it's very mildly flavored, not sweet at all. I taste coconut milk. It's just ube puree. Interesting. Yeah, this is really good. I can see why people really like this. Okay, we have Oat Fudge Bars, and then we have Tangerine Cream Bars. Reminds me of a creamsicle. This one was $3.49, this one was $2.99. I like this. The tangerine is really flavorful. It's not too sweet, which I really appreciate because the kids are gonna eat this. I'm sure they will want some. but it's so refreshing. A little melted from our car ride home, but that's okay. I feel like it could be a little more fudgy. It tastes like it's lacking in something a little bit. It's made with oat milk, so it's not as creamy as the regular dairy fudgesicles that I'm used to, but all in all, it's not bad. I just wish that they put a little bit more cocoa or something in there to make it extra fudgy, because it does taste like it's just... So that was my kickoff to summer Trader Joe's haul. The only one that I regret buying was this dark chocolate watermelon sticks. That was what, $3? So all in all, it wasn't terrible. I would definitely enjoy, even though this wasn't like 100%, I'm still gonna eat it. If there's anything fun that you guys have found at your Trader Joe's, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.